Welcome back, guys, to Mama Joan house where it's hot. And when I said it hot, you know what I mean? It hot like a Scotch bonnet pepper. Today, guys, Mama Joan and Papa Ari and my granddaughter. What's your name, my granddaughter?
Kimaya.
Kimaya in the kitchen today. Kimaya, what is Papa Ari gonna make for you today?
Porridge.
Okay, guys. So, guys, today Papa Ari kitchen day. So today Papa Ari I gonna make some porridge for Kimaya. Some cornmeal porridge. Like this cornmeal porridge, guys, all of them kids here grew up on this cornmeal porridge. So we have put Papa Ari for work today for make her porridge because she said that's what she want, and she don't eat anything from morning because she want that porridge. So guys, without going any further, I want you guys to do what? What you want them to do?
Like and subscribe and hit that
belly post notification belly thing. So like, subscribe and hit that post notification belly things of mine, so you don't miss a post when we post. So guys, today is Kimaya Day and we will be whipping up some porridge for her. Anyway, guys, porridge is not my thing. Porridge is Papa Ari thing. So Papa Ari I go to work for him. I'm favorite granddaughter this.
I love a granddaughter.
His favorite?
This is the most favorite.
Okay, guys. So there you go. The most favorite. She's the last granddaughter.
So the last one is always one that we itch up.
Not really, no. She's not the last one. The last one is Jovi.
Yeah, but Jovi there.
Jovi there the state. So any which way. Any which way, guys. So that's what we're gonna do. So we'll be back when Papa Ari get the ingredients together. Okay? Alright. Papa Ari is gonna tell you guys, give you guys the ingredients and what he's gonna use to make this cornmeal porridge where the children them grow up on. Okay? So Papa Ari, introduce the ingredients to the peoples them.
The first and most important ingredient is 1 finger Jamaican green banana. Can be any banana, but 1 finger a banana. 6 okra.
Okay.
All okra. And about a 1/4 ounce to a 1/2 ounce yellow yam. Then we have a 1/2 coconut. We are greater that I make some coconut juice. We have a 1/4 ounce isinglass and a tablespoon linseed. This now we have a 1/4 ounce Irish mash.
Okay.
And a 1/4 ounce a gomara bit with 2 cups cornmeal. And this is a tablespoon or a teaspoon, whichever you feel like, plain flour. So you can use either a tablespoon or it doesn't make a difference. You don't have to use no flour. Okay, guys? And a 1 peg or a 2 peg of garlic just straight in the pot for, medicine same way.
So anyway, guys, so that's the ingredients for the porridge, where, as I said, when the children them grew up on, and my grandchildren them love it. So guys, Kimaya is here and we have to make this porridge for her because she don't eat it from morning, and she don't want nothing else to eat but this porridge here. So you know what, Grandpapa Ari have to get into it, aka Granddad, and make her special porridge where she loves, guys. So guys, we will be right back. So guys, now Papa Ari ready to start the first process of the porridge. So in here him have a cinnamon stick and some pimento seed and him 2 cloves of garlic. That's the first thing I'm gonna go in the pot. The nutmeg that is after. Yeah, so we need the 2 cloves of garlic, the pimento seed and the cinnamon, and the cinnamon stick.
So you put that in the pot first with the water that's boiling.
Okay, so
I put in my cinnamon stick and my 6 or 7 pimento seed.
Okay, so,
Make that boil.
so here it goes, guys. That I'm gonna boil first. And you boil this for how long, Papa Ari?
Well, that can boil because all that I boil with the Irish mash. So when you put in the pimento and the cinnamon, you wash your Irish mash and you put that in the pot. The Irish mash can boil for half hour to 20 minutes. So I'll make this and the Irish mash everybody boil for 20 minutes to a half an hour. Okay guys, so I'll wash this and put it in the pot.
So when the Irish mash do for you now, Papa Ari, when you put it in the porridge, you know?
Well, you see the Irish mash now, from where I grew up, you know, Irish mash was a thing where we grew up on that, you know. So,
okay, go on.
so you see now, like say, Irish mash, you don't know, them thing they healthy for you, you know. All heap of thing, them man, they make your back strong. Them man, they make your sex life better. Them thing they make all kind of things go good for
So
you.
Irish mash good for the body.
Yes, them
and
say
good for the back.
good for everything.
Okay, so
You know.
so you're gonna make the Irish mash boil for half an hour?
Yeah, 20 minutes to half hour just to make it go and boil.
Okay.
And then I go set up me okra and them thing there. Another thing, guys, when you put on your pot of porridge, always make sure you have a kettle with some water boiled. So now, the first thing we're going to deal with now, we're going to get all our ingredients like me banana, the okra, and me yam. You're going to put all of them there in the blender and blend them. First thing is you take my okra and you dice him up. Make sure him nice and ready for the blender. So I just take the okra and give 2 little slices, you know. Set him up and put him in the blender. So that's the first thing you put. Watch this. You put in the blender. Remember guys, the garlic, you put that in with the Irish mash and the stuff then. That's one of the first things. You just throw that in the porridge, in the pot, make that go and boil. Then you cut up your yam. You have my yellow yam. Cut them up and put my yellow yam in my blender. The banana now. You already think go with the banana now. When we are grow up back home, you know, we don't peel banana. Because them say the banana skin, it have the whole of the energy and the iron for the banana itself. So when you do now with the banana now, me just cut off the top, cut off the bottom, and then me eat a little scrape, you know, because I nah do nothing. So me eat a little small scrape off the outside so it's nice and clean, like how you just scrape a carrot. You just scrape it off, so you scrape off whatever. And then you wash it. Make sure you wash him, you know. So you scrape him and you wash him, because you don't peel him, you know. Scrape and wash, that's it. So what you do after that now, you see the banana now, you just slice him up. Little. Watch this. The whole banana, and if you want, you can use a half a banana. It don't make a difference. You can use a whole one. So what I do now, I just slice up the banana in the skin. Because the skin of the banana, the green banana, are the wickedest thing in the banana. So, you just slice him up, nice and fine. I'm gonna put him in the blender. So I have me 1 finger banana, piece of yam, as me say, not processed. That are my ingredients. Okra, yam, and the banana. What I gonna do now, I full up this with some water out of the kettle and use that because see the hot water now, it's a nice little blend, you know. So I'm going to use the hot water. I didn't have the hot water boil already. See me have the ingredients them, put them in my blender. My wife, she make sauce. She make porridge. So blend this bad boy here. See this now? Me have my ingredients, which is my yam, my banana, my okra. Blend him out and everything, make him nice and smooth. And then I'll take him now and I'll throw him in the pot with the Irish mash and everything else. One thing with porridge, you know, guys. I'm going to teach you. When you make porridge, ever stir your pot. So we are throwing this little mixture, you know. I'm stirring my pot. Make a little mixture to blend up. Wash out my blender. As I said, when I use no water but boiling water because I'm not time for it get hot. In the stove. I need for when I throw it in, it a boil.
So guys, as Papa Harry said, him blend up him thing, and when him done, him throw it in the pot, guys, and see what it look like in the pot there while him stirring it.
Yes.
So and you have to use hot water. So him have to have the warm water.
Now I use cold water.
Yeah, because
it take too long
for it to boil up
back in the pot.
Okay.
So you use the boiling water. So when you throw it in now, everything boiling.
There it is, guys. So this is what it look like.
And you give him a little stir, you know.
And this is the yam.
This are
the yam, the banana.
Irish mash.
Yam, banana, Irish mash.
Pimento seed. Cinnamon stick. And I eat that.
And a little piece of
garlic. You make this go and boil up a little bit. And while this a boil, you can adjust your stove, you know. Kind of want it boil too much. I get me coconut milk. And I blend that. And I throw that in the pot, you know. Another thing when I forgot to put in the pot was the gomara bit. You put in the gomara bit with the Irish mash and everything. So I'm going to put in the gomara bit and now make it go and boil. So I put in the gomara bit. You can put in that before you put in your banana and your yam. But you put in the gomara bit with the Irish mash. Because Irish mash will make right and what Irish mash will make, you know. You see the linseed, tablespoon or teaspoon of linseed, you put that in with the Irish mash too. But you put in that now and you make that boil. Now I come to me cornmeal and my flour. Usually when I make cornmeal porridge, I would have put my cornmeal for soak overnight. So it well soak. When she chew is a rush, my granddaughter just come and say she want cornmeal porridge this morning. When would I do? From before I start making the porridge, would I put my cornmeal in some water for soak. So guys, make sure you put in the water. It cover the cornmeal, eh? And you give it a little stir. Make sure so the water take over the cornmeal so it can get for soak good. You see it? Yeah. So you need it for kind of loose with the water. Can. Yeah. So you make the water penetrate the cornmeal and give a little mix, you know.
I give it a whip.
Give it a whip. Then you see the teaspoon of flour. That is just a different ingredients make the porridge taste like pudding. So if you like your pudding flavor, we put in a table. But when you put your cornmeal for soak, your cornmeal for soak, you put a little flour in the cornmeal and you stir that in too. And make sure the flour stir in or it's all lumpy. So you have to stir out the flour and make it, you know, make it sit down a little bit. Okay. So that's it, guys. Make this go boil, you know. That are your yam, banana. Everybody a boil, you know.
When Papa Harry done with this porridge, a wicked porridge Papa Harry I make. You see the coconut milk, guys? Look on the coconut milk. Look how it's rich. Oh, it's rich and pretty.
So this is what?
Yeah.
How much is this?
Okay.
How much water I use? So this is 1 cup of juice.
That's 1 cup of coconut milk.
2 cup. 3 cup. Basically 4 cup of coconut milk. After you blend the half coconut, then that coconut milk now, you throw it in the pot with everything. Make him boil up too. So yeah, you throw in that now and give him some time.
There you go, guys. I think we're going to need to change the pot because Papa Harry make this porridge look like it's gonna be a lot of porridge.
No.
So
worry not thyself, funny.
okay.
Worry
So
not
anyway,
thyself.
guys, I'm gonna
Hold on, before you do
pot.
that, after you throw in the coconut milk, then you put in the isinglass. Because the isinglass kind of easy for boil. So you don't want to really put it in too early. So now just before you put in the cornmeal, you make sure you put in your isinglass. Okay. And you go and stir that and make it cook for another 10-15 minutes. Make it boil up. Once it boil up, for 10-15 minutes, you put in your cornmeal and you're good to go. Okay, guys? Okay, guys, welcome back. What I need you guys to do right now, all the stuff them that I put in the pot already, I want you look at how them boil out. And you have to always stir your pot. Because if you don't stir your pot and your spoon can't move through it freely, then something not right. And before you put in your cornmeal, everything have to be free. So guys, this is me all ingredient except my cornmeal. So now everything boil to a boil. I put in my cornmeal. First I want you guys take a look on the cornmeal for me. If you notice the cornmeal, there's no flour in there because if you put the flour in there and it don't melt out, then you're going to have dumpling. You don't want a dumpling in your blood. You don't want a dumpling in your porridge. So you have to smoothen it out. Oh gosh. So when I talk about, guys, yep. And you see now, you put in your cornmeal, you have to stir him. Because if you don't stir him, then your cornmeal will go turn cornmeal. The porridge I make, and turn cornmeal I make, porridge. Okay, so you stir in everything now. Cornmeal, yam, banana, everybody. Come show them how the pot look, how the pot feel look. You see how it's smooth? So you want it to stay, you don't want it too heavy. So you make it nice and smooth. And cornmeal is a thing where you have to stir constantly for at least the first 15 minutes or else you get done cornmeal. And you don't want that, you want porridge.
Not
porridge.
Not on cornmeal up in
No,
this place
no.
right now. Just
No.
cornmeal porridge, as your Papa Harry said, guys. Okay, guys.
And say you have to stir in your cornmeal, make him smooth
Look
and
on
look
the thing.
nice. You see me?
Look on the thing, guys. Okay.
Yeah, stir him in. Make him nice.
As me say, this is gonna make you want to slap your
Oh,
Papa.
man.
Where's the Papa Harry?
That slap you though, Papa.
You will not get some slap.
You slap your Papa, then poor little Papa Harry. If you keep slapping him sooner or later, he never get too much slap, man. So, one thing with cornmeal, guys, when you put him in the hot water, you have to stir him till him start bubble up. Or else, it's all lumpy. You don't want a lump on them things in your porridge. You see me? So, and you watch the texture. If you think it too hot, too thick, as me say, you always have your kettle and you can pour in according to what you think. A little more water and loosen him up. When you put in the water, you have to stir him again. Because what I'm doing when I get to realize with him, you know. You see, after you're done stirring him in and him boil, now get thick. So you don't want him get too heavy. So eat that. See, bubbles them will come up here now. Then you got in a problem. So you have to keep stirring it, make it stay loose and smooth. And make your porridge refined. You know? So eat that. You can do the fire low. You can put your cover upon him, but you have to make sure your fire low and you're watching it. Never you leave your porridge unwatched. You have to watch it all the time. Okay, guys. Now we're gonna make the cornmeal cook for at least 45 minutes. Back home when we eat cornmeal, I'm cooking for an hour and a half. But them cornmeal was the coarse, good cornmeal. Them I know the refined cornmeal where them not take so long to cook. So you cooking for 45 minutes. Me cooking for 45 minutes because I'm used to the long cooking cornmeal and they always say you have to cook your cornmeal. Okay, guys, now I want to look on the bubbles where I get in my pot. You see them bubbles there? You don't want a bigger bubble than that. If you want to, you can turn him down little bit. Make the bubble them just come out of the porridge. You don't want the bubble like you boil water. No, because then you burn up the cornmeal. So you need to keep the fire low and keep the bubbles them as close to the top of the porridge as possible. And just make it sit there and simmer. And when you're done, oh, coming like a pudding here, I eat my youth. Yeah, man, so I could go and watch it till I come back again. Okay, guys, these are my secret ingredients. Butter. You see, after you put in everything, I make it boil for 5, 10, 15 minutes and everything come up and look nice and gentle. Then you just get all a spoon with some butter. You give them butter. As I say, not enough work on the measurement, but me I tell you, say, 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons, and you're good to go. Okay, guys, now I'm back for the last of the porridge. Now it's all finished, and I'm just gonna sweeten it now. So I have it boiled for 45 minutes. So now it's all finished. So what could make we sweeten it? So guys, I turn off the stove and I'm going to put usually like this is not the original vanilla. This is like the vanilla imitation. So, guys, back home in Jamaica, we couldn't buy the vanilla extract. Guys, see, that was expensive. So we usually buy the watered down one. But the difference with the extract and the watered down one now, you can use all a tablespoon of the watered down one and it's not bitter. Because the extract, that one if you use even too much more than a tot, then everything gets bitter. So with this porridge, you know, with the amount of porridge we have, we're going to use a tablespoon. You can use more if you want. I'm using a tablespoon of vanilla. If you want, you can use 2 tablespoons of vanilla. Guys, yes, that look pretty, that look pretty, that look pretty. 2 tablespoons vanilla.
So guys, what Papa Ari is saying about the vanilla, when you're using pure vanilla and not artificial flavor vanilla, pure vanilla you only need like 1 teaspoon. The artificial flavor vanilla with the amount of porridge you have, you need 2 tablespoons. So 2 tablespoons of the artificial flavor vanilla. It's good, but the pure vanilla now, if you use so much, it'll go bitter. So you just need like, basically you just need really a teaspoon of the pure vanilla.
That much?
Yes.
Yeah. Voila. Guys, next ingredient, when I'm going to put in my porridge, gonna be my nutmeg. Cornmeal porridge, love whole heap of nutmeg. So, I have my nutmeg grater. And my nutmeg, I grate about half of the nutmeg in my pot of porridge. Nutmeg is that you don't want to put too much either. So now I have in me half a nutmeg and my vanilla, 2 tablespoons of vanilla. Now I'm going to use my opener and I'm going to open my condensed milk. This is not the official condensed milk, but this is like a whitener, condensed whitener. Because I can't do I don't use too much sweet. So this one now is the one I use. Usually the Jamaican people then use the condensed milk, because that one very, very sweet. Okay, guys?
So guys, when Papa Aria use for sweeten the porridge, he's using 2 Grace condensed sweetener instead of the condensed milk, because the condensed sweetener is not as sweet as the condensed milk. Okay?
So everything turn right. Mixing everybody. So everybody turn to one color. You see the milk I spread out there now. And vanilla, everybody mixing. And porridge ready. You don't have to use 2 tins of milk now. You can use 1 depending on how sweet you want it. If you feel like, I don't use sugar in my porridge. Some people use sugar, but I don't like sugar in my porridge. My porridge is sweet with pure milk. But that's how the rich people them like myself. Yeah, back when we used to use some dark sugar, you know, with a little bit of milks. No, get rich, we are foreign.
Guys, your Papa Aria talk about your rich, mama poor ass mother, you know what?
She can't say
we
no.
poor, we have no money.
She don't know about my money.
Do
She
not,
don't know about your money.
listen guys, if do not even have 2 cents to rub together.
What?
None of us don't even have 2 cents to rub together. We are some poor ass mother free curse people here, okay?
Talking for yourself. She don't know about my money. My money different.
That's what we talk about for the
What
boat.
different?
When we do that, have no money. We are some broke papa people. Okay?
So guys, now I'm gonna be sharing out a couple bowl of porridge so yeah, my grandkids them and wife can get some porridge for drink. So I'm going to give this little one here. See the texture, guys? You need that texture. You don't want it too watery. You have to make it thick and my grandkids them not drink it. Oh, yeah, them not drink water porridge. That fit rich. That's enough, mommy. Want more?
Wait. Grandma, did you see this?
That's Cyan, yes. That's Cyan's bowl.
Okay, so this is your bowl?
Yes.
You tell me when you have enough. That's it.
Mama bear, sister bear, you have mama bear, father bear, baby bear, granddaughter baby bear.
Well, you can.
And that's my can.
Your mama Joan
So
don't.
I drink mine out of the can so it have a little bit more sweetness to it. You know, because Papa Ari not make him think sweet at all.
So she puts not the milk can, you know.
Okay, that's enough. Alright.
It's sliding down.
Granddad take care of that. Don't worry about me. Porridge sweet. You can't make it waste. You mad? No. Porridge is so sweet. I know.
No, sir.
I know. So guys, you're going to dig in at the porridge. Kimaya, you come taste the porridge and tell Granddad how the porridge tastes. Come here. And tell Granddad how it tastes. Cyan, this is yours.
Remember it's hot? So,
Just, you know, if Granddad teach you how to drink porridge.
So,
Drink your porridge.
taste
Taste it and tell Granddad how it tastes.
But what if it's so hot?
No, take it off the can,
and
remember?
cool it.
Take it off the side. No, here.
Take it from the inside, off the side, and cool it before you put it in your. Here, hold it, blow it, and make sure it cools so that it don't burn you. Cool it. Make sure you cool it so that it don't burn you. Blow on it, Kimaya.
I am.
Taste it now. Taste it now. It's cool there now. It's not hot anymore. Is it still hot? Okay. How does it taste?
Good.
Good? Good. Drink up your porridge now. Mama John, what do you think? Wicked?
Here, get that spoon and jump into that. And that's sweet though.
Yeah, we're not two can. I don't usually use two can.
Okay, well,
Don't you me I make it to the camera. I make it sweet, but I usually use two can.
Alright.
Wait, taste the garlic.
I taste?
Don't
I
usually-
don't know what I could taste.
You don't usually taste the garlic. The garlic is just, you
It's
taste
just,
the garlic?
I taste porridge.
It tastes
And
porridge.
this one
Okay.
is sweeter than usual.
That's what I'm saying. I just do this one with two can because of the camera and I know the Jamaican people love it sweet.
Nah, that's good.
So guys, now Papa Ari come to the end of him porridge video. So guys, would like you to like, subscribe, and hit my post notification bell so you don't miss a post on my post. And guys, I know the porridge seems to be like a lot, but this is not like regular cornmeal porridge. This is an upscale porridge. So I want you guys to try it and comment below and let me know what you think about this porridge here. Guys, it's totally different from any other cornmeal porridge, you know, that's it. Okay guys,
You
so
don't go nowhere over the world go get that porridge to drink.
so guys, we will see you in the next video. Okay?